technical. As you can see, I do have a case from Prodigee. This is their Superstar case. They were kind enough to send me this out. So pretty much I'm just going to unbox this, put it on the device, and show you around the device. So it was tested and certified for 2 millimeters drop protection, MagSafe capability, slim triple material design, and impact resistance. And I will make sure I put a link in the description to where you can go find this case for yourself. Pretty much it's just a pink superstar like case. You know, when you think of superstar, I think of glitter. So this is what the case looks like right here. It's glittery, it's see-through. It's TPU on the side, hard plastic on the back. You got your MagSafe ring cut out. So I'm gonna pretty much pick up my iPhone 16 Pro Max because it will go good with my wallpaper. Place my device in like so. As you can see, hold on, this is what we are looking like on the device. So at the top here you do get nothing. At the side here you do get your volume, your power button. Nice and clicky. I don't know how well you can see that. I know you can't hear it, but that is nice and clicky. You do get your indentation for your camera button. So if you click it, you can go straight to your camera and you're able to use this with no problem at all. You can still get your finger in there. At the bottom here, you do get all the cutouts that you're supposed to have. Over here, nothing down here. On the side, you do get your alert button, which is nice. You get your volume up and down button, nice and clicky, no problem. You do get an okay size lip. Nothing too fancy, but if you place your phone flat down on the table, you will be good to go. Let's turn it over to the back. You do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera, you will be good to go. I do like how this looks. I thought it'd be a little too girly with the glitter, but the glitter, you cannot see it that much. And it just looks real nice on this white titanium, on this white iPhone 16 Pro Max. Give you another look around the case. So like I said, I will drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself if you're interested. And I will catch you in the next video. I'm out.